Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable Dark Theme in Power BI Desktop. This is a great feature if you prefer working in a darker interface, especially during long hours of data analysis, as it can reduce eye strain and give your workspace a sleek, modern look. Let's dive right in and get this set up for you. First, open your Power BI Desktop application. Once you have it running, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the main menu bar. Click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your Power BI environment and settings. From the File menu, look to the left side of the window that appears. Here you'll see an option labeled Options and Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where you can customize and configure different aspects of your Power BI desktop experience to suit your preferences. After clicking Options and Settings, you'll see another menu appear. From this menu, click on Options. This is the central hub for all the detailed settings and configurations available in Power BI Desktop, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with this area if you haven't already. Now, be patient for a moment as the settings window loads. Sometimes it takes a bit of time for all the options to appear, especially if you're working with a larger data model or on a slower machine. Just give it a few seconds to fully load before moving forward. Once the settings window is fully displayed, turn your attention to the left side panel. Under the Global section, you'll need to find and click on Report Settings. This section contains various settings that affect how your reports look and behave, and it's where we'll make the change to enable Dark Theme. Now, within the report settings, look for an option called Customize Appearance. You'll see a drop-down menu directly underneath it. Click on that drop-down menu, and from the list of appearance options, select Dark. This switches your Power BI desktop interface to the dark theme, giving you that darker, more visually comfortable workspace. Finally, to apply your changes, click OK at the bottom of the settings window. And that's it, your Power BI desktop is now set to dark theme. You should immediately notice the interface changing to a darker color scheme, making it easier on the eyes for those extended work sessions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.